Sure. Good morning, world. I just woke up. Still got sleep in my eyes. Dry day. Running around without a fuck to give a stone wall, but still backing is what I'm tougher than. You lame say you spitting, but you talking stupid. So I decided to send this message, man, I had to do it. How you compare a recruit to a veteran? Tripping off some shit if you say I am who you better than, and I'll be smiling. Saying cheese, bring a cheddar in, and when I have trouble sleeping, I play your records, it's a sedative. Cause my flow, nah, your flow, mystery. Cause I just keep going, everybody else is temporary. But you dropping some garbage every month, claiming you make a nigga bleed, but you remind me of a month. Now I ain't no hood nigga, but ain't no bitch in my yo positive. Step up in my house and word the button, I get the slaughtering. Harder than a layer of concrete, call me blacktop. Follow my words, get level-headed, like a flat top. Pass me the rock, I'm scoring where the defense. Oceans of opportunity, fuck drowning in the deep end. I so loving the grind, so you know what I'm reaping. And tell the come up that your boy is steady creeping. Not attracted to the BS they be kicking, cause they say me making it is an impossible mission. So I'm trying to cruise in some brand new Tom Ford threads. And if you see the H on my belt, it stands for Hermes. But material things don't run me, I'd rather lace a track, nigga. Opinions don't get noted, cause I'm all about a fact, nigga. Classic is what I'm aiming at. Crashing cause of a brainless task, cause I must be out my mind to think I got it made. I'm staring at these dudes cause they all gotta be paid, so I can get it going in a new way I can pay. Unscathed by the idle threats and hollow words. Smart nigga, I swallow nerves, and I'm down to blaze, but let me hit that bottle first. Madhouse, IGN. Hold up, I gotta get my electrolytes. Oh, shout out to my bro, King B, DGE. I see y'all niggas. Shout out to my nigga Clay, Fake Great, Hero Villain, the whole movement. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna do too much more talking. Just gonna give y'all a little something. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy Memorial Day weekend. Turn up, celebrate. But remember what the holiday is for. You know what I mean? New single coming soon.